Your personal guide to buying a home. Buying a first home can be an exciting yet complex process. Here are the general steps to guide you through the journey. Before we get started, please subscribe and like so you can get notified about future videos. Assess your financial situation. Check your credit score and address any issues. Credit scores are commonly used by lenders, banks, credit card companies, and other financial institutions to make lending decisions. Calculate your budget. Determine how much you can afford for a down payment, monthly mortgage payments, insurance, property taxes, and maintenance. Save for a down payment. A down payment of at least 20% is ideal to avoid private mortgage insurance, PMI. However, there are programs that offer down payments as low as 3%. Consider other costs like closing costs, moving expenses, and initial repairs. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. Contact lenders to get pre-approved for a mortgage loan, which gives you an idea of how much you can borrow. Compare interest rates and loan terms from different lenders. Determine your priorities in a home, such as location, size, number of bedrooms, amenities, and proximity to schools or work. Engage a real estate agent or use online platforms to start looking for properties that match your criteria. Visit open houses and schedule private showings for properties you like. Work with your real estate agent to create a competitive offer based on the property's value and your budget. Negotiate and acceptance. Be prepared for negotiation with the seller regarding the price, repairs, or other terms. Once both parties agree, you'll sign a purchase agreement. Schedule a home inspection to identify any issues that might affect your decision. Work closely with your lender to finalize your mortgage application. The lender will order an appraisal to determine the home's value and ensure it's in line with the loan amount. Before closing, conduct a final walkthrough to ensure the property is in the agreed-upon condition. Review and sign all necessary documents, including the mortgage agreement and property title. Pay closing costs, which include title, escrow, agent commission and other fees for services provided during the home buying process. Receive the keys to your new home and officially become the homeowner. Plan your move and start making your new house feel like home. Update your address, utilities, and other important information. Remember that the home buying process can vary based on location, market conditions, and individual circumstances.